Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, and welcome back if you're old. Subscribe. So here's a tutorial to how to draw. Okay, so we start with the stickman figures because they're the easy one, and it helps you like get right with the shapes. Yeah. So first is the straight leg. Second is like my trick is the leg behind should be straight till the leg in front is bending, and when the leg in front gets straight, the leg behind starts bending. I haven't read any books yet, but I hope this is what it is because it looks smooth. So I'll do my own. I don't care. So yeah, subscribe if you're watching this. I'll make more tutorials, voiceovers if you want, if you all want. So yeah, the you can see the leg in front. Once it gets straight, the leg behind starts bending. It'll keep bending and move forward till the leg that was in front goes behind and starts bending. You know what I mean? You can see it. Yeah. I'll read Animator's Survival Kit. There's a book I've been told by my friend to read, so I'll read that. I hope it's good. I don't understand how many books there are, and like I think there are 7 or 8 books in it. So I don't like reading that much. Okay, so now we start building the body. After checking our smoothness, the smoothness of the stickman figure, the walking, if you like how it walks, the motion, you can start with the body. Yeah, I sound like I'm old, but I'm 24. Yeah, so just a simple body, whatever you like. I like a little bulk in the legs. That's just me. You can do whatever you want. Yeah, I'm using Procreate Dreams if you're interested in that. It's simple. This is like my third animation. The first two are up. The first one was walking in stages, and they didn't look good. I gained a lot of support, like people did comment good, but I didn't like it much. So this one I like. This is better. Yeah, the leg in front starts bending, leg behind starts bending. When the leg in front gets straight, it gets very smooth. Yeah, it's easy. It's not very difficult. I'll do the jumps and other things too on my own first, and then read the book because I believe like maybe I'll do something unique that the books don't know. Maybe we'll see. Yes, subscribe to the channel. Maybe I think I will. Yeah, just check the smoothness if you like how it's going. You like how it's going. Once the stickman is fine, then everything is fine, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, I'm recording from my iPad. I don't know how it sounds. I'm not gonna like check it over and over again. Now the stickman hands. Yeah. Hands are like simple, just an elbow bent, and then the one behind, the one you can't see fully, the hand. I just keep it straight. I don't think that really matters. It matters if the like figure is rotating and you can see it. That's another. This is just 2D. 3D animations are more difficult. We'll do that. We'll do that. I'll do everything. Subscribe and I'll do. I mean, just subscribe to keep like in track with the progress. Yeah, I'm not like saying just subscribe, subscribe. This. Okay. Yeah, now just check if the stickman hands look good. Yeah, they look good. Yeah, it's fine. Now just build a sleeve and a bulky hand. I like bulky hands. I like bulk. So yeah. Comment who do you watch on YouTube? I like watching Dashi, Sam Sulek, Kiani, Drewski is good. Yeah, comment. You just bend the elbow a little and the one behind it just keeps straight. It gives like a casual vibe. I'm gonna do more animations. One is coming up. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Possibly tomorrow. Y'all can comment what kind of animation you want to see. I'll do that for sure. This was just a tutorial, so yeah. My throat is a bit, yeah. That's fine. It's all good. I hope it's all good. Who's your favorite artist on YouTube? Comment. I like Sam Desarts. He's cool. Colleen is really cool. Yeah, Colleen is good. I don't like her art that much, but the videos are really cool. That's why I started voiceover because that looked cool. Yeah. Now he moves smooth. That looks smooth. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright, subscribe, like, share. I